My name is Danielle, and I am the COO here at Octal. Priority System has separated themselves from other ERP systems by being able to really tailor their software to fit their customers' needs. Engineers there have worked with us hand in hand to develop project planning solutions and project reports that we needed specific for our contracts. They understand that it's not a one-size-fits-all.
They also provide a number of industry-tailored solutions too, so pre-configured solutions that are meant to fit the functionality and specific needs of manufacturers and distributors, for example.
Cast Tool Steels are a tool steel and aluminium stockholder. The main reason we chose Priority is because it was a system termed out of the box, but which we could do some major development with. We felt that our working systems needed some development, but likewise we wanted to start on day one with a very similar feel to how we use a system as our old operating system. And Priority gave us the best choice of out of the box and the ability to make changes.
My name is Martin Young. I'm Operations Director at Cherwell Laboratories Limited. We researched all the ERP systems we could find. We actually found 49. We finally chose the Priority system, and the main reasons were that for us, Priority software out of the box was the closest match to our production process. The benefits we've seen so far is, firstly, we've eliminated all of the databases around the plant. We've got a single database, and the accuracy of that database is so much higher. We have real-time availability of performance data, and the speed at which we can analyze that now is much faster, so that we have more up-to-date decision-making.
Robust ERP is what you get with Priority. The upgrades and developments that come out of them, combined with the tailored solutions that they can provide us, is key and vital for us to continue to grow. I would recommend Priority to anybody who would listen, and they will provide you solutions, and what could be better than that?